Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Crypto Money Machine. Today I'll introduce to you a new platform. The platform name is Prophecy. It's a cryptocurrency coin. Today I will show you how you buy their pre-sale coin. They already launched a pre-sale in 29 December, you can see here. So I will show you how you join the pre-sale or how Prophecy is working. So Prophecy is a value transfer networking of economical investing actors and come to a consensus on the state of the network's economics policy. So Prophecy is a value transfer network of economically policy. The Prophecy token logo is SPRY. Is the token symbol behind the Prophecy and Prophetor. So guys, you can join their pre-sale and their website link you can see on my video description box. So you can see their roadmaps. Their roadmap is very pretty and their roadmaps are very economical. So you can see the roadmaps. Question Q4 2020 there will private sale, public pre-sale, Prophecy token launch, token listed for trading. In Q1 2021 stacking volume 1 launch, Prophet pools version 1 launch, redemption center version 1 launch, token listing on CMC, liquidity model V1 launch. So in Q1 2021 they listing their token on CMC. In Q2 2021 burning comments, stacking version 2 launch, POCD mechanism engaged. In Q3 2021 lending solutions provided listing on 10 exchanges and their plan are really well. In Q3 2021 they will launch almost 10 exchanges. It's a very great news for the investors of this coin. So guys, it's a very great coin. Their roadmap are very excellent and they focus on the correct thing. So guys, if you wanna join their pre-sale, you need to click on this, go to pre-sale, and here you can see you need to open this link on a Trust Wallet DApps and you can buy from Prophecy token from here. So I will show you how you buy this token. So you need to go Trust Wallet and paste the link, go to the link, yes, automatically my address are generated here. If you want to buy 1 Ethereum of Prophecy PRY, 1 Ethereum equal to 78,000 PRY. So guys, you can buy 1 Ethereum with 78,000 PRY. So if you want to buy less than 1 Ethereum, you can buy 0.5. If you want to buy 0.5 Ethereum, you can receive 39,000 Prophecy. And if you want to buy 5 Ethereum, you can receive 39 3,90,000. So you need to very much Ethereum on your wallet, and then you need to confirm it, and you need to click on this and confirm it. If you confirm it, you will be a PRI holder and you will both the coin. So you can see here the token others information. Token name is Prophecy token. I will tell you about that before. Token symbol is SPRY. It's a logo of dollar. Pre-sale exchange rate are 1 Ethereum equal to 78,000 PRY. You can buy 1 Ethereum equal to 78,000 PRY. Their contract address, it's their official contract address. You need to buy it's the official contract address. Initial their initial suppliers 100,000, almost many. Total supply are 200,000, many. Private and pre-sale supply are many more. Pre-sale progress, their goal is 600 Ethereum. Their plan is 600 Ethereum for their pre-sale. Their pre-sale will end on 29 December. So guys, you need to you have very less time. So if you want to buy PRI token, you should buy from here. I suggest you can try with a little bit of amount. You can try 0.1 Ethereum. If you wanna buy, I will suggest you should buy this coin. I think this coin is very bright future, and their roadmap are very strong, their community are very strong, their publicity are very strong, and they doing a great job. So guys, their pre-sale will end on 29th December, their public pre-sale, and after that they launch a pre-sale on Uniswap exchange. You know that Uniswap was the biggest exchange of cryptocurrency market, and after 29th of December you can buy your Prophecy from Uniswap exchange. So guys, I wish you will buy this coin and hold for some times, and hold sometimes for a great profit. So guys, my video description box you will show this link, the site website link, and you can see many things about their coin, their token. If you need to anything more, you can comment in my video. I will try to solve your problem very fastly. I will so guys, their roadmaps are very good and very expensive. Their target are very great. So guys, I will tell you, you should buy this coin and hold, and I will tell you should hold this coin if you hold this coin Q321, I think you will make a very good profit from here. So guys, it's the video of about Prophecy. So if you wanna try to contact with them, you can contact with them. Here are all information, all social media links of Prophecy. You can contact with them if you wanna try. So guys, I will suggest you should buy this coin and hold for sometimes for a great profit from here. So guys, it's the conclusion of my video. So if you ask anything, you can write on my video comment. I will reply your inquiry very fastly, your question very fastly. So guys, it's the end of my video. If you like this video, you can like, comment, share this video, and also please subscribe this channel for. So guys, thank you so much for being with me.